Hi everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. We all use the sum function to total our data. But did you know it has a hidden limitation? When you hide rows, sum function still count them. In this video, I'll show you how the aggregate function fix that, giving you totals that automatically update when rows are hidden. Let's see the difference.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have the sales data to demonstrate this function, in which I have the salesperson's name, their regions, months, and the sales amount. And if we want to calculate the total sales, here in this cell, we can make use of the sum function. For this purpose, I'll press the short key Alt equal, and after this I'll press enter. So we get the total sales over here. So what if I hide any row? To hide the row, I'll move my cursor to this row's number, and here I'll right click and I'll go to this hide option. I'll click it. So now the row is hidden, but the total is same. So it's mean that sum function is not updating automatically, which can cause problem under different scenarios. Now let's see how we can avoid this using the aggregate function. I'm going to press Ctrl Z to revert the changes, and here I'm going to delete this, and now this time I'll write equal aggregate. So first of all, in the syntax we have to choose different options, like because we are going to calculate the sum, so I will choose 9 from this list. After this I'll put comma, and next I have different options that what I want to ignore. So here you can see that at number 7 option we have the option of ignoring hidden rows and error values. It's mean that if the errors are present or the rows are hidden, it's mean that the aggregate function will ignore these two things and calculate the total from the rest of the values. So I'll write 7, and after this I have to provide the array, so I'll select all the sales amount, close the parenthesis and hit enter. So we get the total sales. So now let's see if I hide any row, what happens. So I'll go to this row number and right click, and here I'll go to this hide option. So when I hide, you can see that the total has changed automatically. And again, if I unhide, again I'll go to this row number, right click, and this time I choose the unhide. So again the total is restored. So that's the key difference. While sums add up everything, aggregate give you control. It can ignore hidden rows, errors, and even do more than just summing your data. If you found this tip useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Know How, and check out my other quick Excel tutorials. See you next time.